English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world, with an estimated 1.5 billion people worldwide using it for communication. It is the primary language of international business, politics, and education. Learning English can open up a world of opportunities, both personal and professional. It can improve one's chances of getting a better job, enhance communication with people from diverse backgrounds, and increase access to information and knowledge. Moreover, with the prevalence of the internet, English has become the primary language of online communication, making it essential for anyone who wants to stay connected globally. Overall, learning English is an investment in one's personal and professional growth, and it can be an enriching experience that opens up new doors and possibilities.
We welcome feedback, suggestions, and comments from our audience, and we are committed to continuously improving our channel and providing valuable content. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to entertaining and educating you through our videos.